Merry Christmas, guys. Today we are back with a very interesting video. Actually, we are going to make a folder for each and every country we have here. We have so many names. It can extend all the way to 1,000. So getting to make a folder for each country by right-clicking, then going to folder, then typing like that will take you forever, especially if you have a lot of them. So that method is going to take you forever. What if you just create a file like this one, which when you just double click on it like that, it will create all the folders that you want. Okay, let's get to know how we can be able to exactly do that. So I'm going to use this column. That's where the names are. But I want to insert a new column here. So Ctrl+Shift+. So what I want to do is to add MD in front of every name. MD in caps like that. Ctrl+E. That's all the way down. So we have all the names going all the way down. So highlight everything from here. Ctrl+Shift down. You have all the names, then open Notepad and then paste the names that you copied. Then save this. You click on Save As. Go to the folder where you want to create those folders from. So there will be now subfolders. For the file name, you can name it whatever you want. But the file extension, make sure it's .bat. So .bat. Make sure you put this at the end of whatever name that you're going to give your file. Click on Save. We are now done. You can close everything. So we are now back to our folder. If I want to create all those folders, I just need to double click on the file that we just created like that, and all the folders will come. If you find this useful, give us a like and share to people that will be interested in it. Follow us on YouTube, and Happy New Year 2023.